David Powell. I'm the Managing Director of Mass OPEX Digital. We're a lean management consultancy that have now moved towards the digital age using our digital solution to support the SME market. Lean is focused on the elimination of waste and to make companies more productive and efficient. Lean is a thinking way derived from the Toyota production system. It's a way of driving efficiency and productivity for businesses. So it's very, very important for the manufacturing sector to be more competitive than any other business. So we've derived this process to allow the SME markets to have a solution that makes them more productive in the working environment. Having worked with Smart many years ago, I knew that it was a great tool to help teamwork and problem solving. So using Smart Inc, this allows for continuous updating and control of our application. So it's a great uniform approach. Also using Smart Meeting Pro, this allows us to communicate across many different areas and cells, and assembly lines or factories globally instantly via the cloud. And that's what we've driven this product for, to allow for a fully inclusive system. And Smart allows us to actually offer that system, as a product to all. To be fair, the Smart board has driven a lot of activity towards our application. The integration of our application with smart boards has been phenomenal. People are coming through, production managers, directors, CEOs, they absolutely love the product. They can see how it can be applied in their workplace. They can see how it's going to develop communication and teamwork within their working environments. It's just the right tool for the right place at the right time.